How to fix screen resolution problem on Windows. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how to easily fix the screen resolution problem on your Windows laptop. Without any further delay, let us just jump right in. So the first thing you need to do is check your resolution settings. You can do that by right-clicking on your Start menu and then find the settings option over here. Once you open up settings, go over to System, and then from here find your display settings. Go over to display, and then you need to find scale and layout. Right below here you can find scale. Make sure that is set to recommended size, and then from here you want to change display resolution to the highest possible value. Once you have done that, you can also choose advanced display settings like your refresh rate. So if your monitor or your screen supports different refresh rates, make sure you set this to the highest ones. I only have 60 Hz on my monitor. And then if your PC allows the dynamic refresh rate, then you can turn it on again. Now you can also choose if you have multiple displays over here. And then you want to click on display adapter properties. Once you click on it, it will open up the adapter properties over here, and you can see all of the information about your property. So what you need to do is go ahead and click on this properties option. And as you can see, you can find your drivers. And then if you go to driver, you can click on update driver, search automatically for drivers. And if it says the best drivers already installed, then you should be good to go. You can also try to disable device once, restart your PC, and it will automatically re-enable it. And once that is done, you can close everything out. Then go ahead and give your PC a quick restart, and it should be good to go. You can additionally try to download your display drivers from the internet. You just basically have to search for Device Manager, find which driver you have available, go to Display Adapters, click on the drop-down, find this display adapter, search it up on the internet, and then download the same model. That's basically it, guys. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.